Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a different setup. I am in my beauty room. So let's just jump, as you can see from the title, let's just jump right into this hot piping tea, okay? So you guys remember the end of summer I disappeared for a while, and then I came back with a video basically not telling you what happened, but telling you that life was a little bit rough, and you know, things been going on with my health and all that good stuff. Well, it's that time, and I think I should share with you guys that we're expanding. I am pregnant. It's weird saying that out loud. I am pregnant. My husband and I are expecting. This is my third pregnancy and final. Let me add that part, and final. So that's what's been going on. The first trimester was horrible. I had the craziest morning sickness ever. I was literally on the couch every single day. Headaches like crazy, threw up here and there, always feeling nauseous. It was just horrible. I didn't want to do anything, so that's why at the end of summer I disappeared for a while. You guys didn't really see any videos of me because I've been sick. And now I'm in my second trimester, I'm going into my third, but I just feel like now is the perfect time to share with you guys. Plus, I can't disguise this stomach anymore. It's getting hard to disguise the stomach, so all those videos you see me planting tulip bulbs, working in my garden, extending my beds, I was pregnant. I was showing, like really showing. So I started wearing oversized hoodies. I was wearing my husband's jackets and hoodies just to camouflage my stomach. I was not ready to share that yet, but now I'm sharing that with you guys. So yeah, that's the tea for today. By the way, happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so I just want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving from now, and hope you guys have an amazing time with your families. I just want to say on here to you guys that I am thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for the support that I get from my YouTube channel and on my Instagram page. I am so thankful for you guys accepting me into this community and treating me like royalty. I just had to say that you guys are amazing, and I love you guys. I truly do love you guys, and I don't even know you guys personally, but hopefully one day that will change. So before I go, let me show you guys a little view of my stomach. So this is me. Oh, look at that. Yes, it's true. I still can't believe it sometimes that I am expecting. This is my third pregnancy. As I stated before, I have a daughter who is my firstborn, and then my son. They are 2 years apart. Yeah, that's it for me. After this, no more babies. I'm happy and I'm fortunate and blessed to have beautiful, healthy children, and I'm just grateful. So I'm praying that this is a healthy pregnancy as well, and that's it. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. The secret is finally out. Some of you have been leaving comments here and there like your skin is glowing, what's going on. So I want to say thank you guys for not putting it out there, like if you knew, for not putting it out there and giving me the space and the time to announce it myself. So yes, Gardenaddictz is expanding, and we are expecting another baby. So thank you guys so much for your continuous support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.